problem. Find the equation of the locus of a point, the sum of whose distances from 0, 2 and 0, -2 is 6. Solution. Given points are A 0, 2, B 0, -2. Let P of x, y be any point on locus. Let P of x, y be any point on locus. Given condition is the locus of a point is satisfying that the sum of whose distances from this point and this point is this one. Sum of distance of a point P and A with PB is 6. This implies this one I am going to take as PA is equal to 6 minus PB. Now squaring on both sides. This implies PA square is equal to 6 minus PB whole square. This implies PA square is equal to, it is in the form of A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2 6 are 12 PB. Now I am not substituting anything here, I am just substituting in this one and this one. PA, distance between PA, under root and square get cancel, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 6 square is 36 plus now PB square, distance between PB, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 2, that is y plus 2 whole square minus 12 PB. X minus 0 whole square, x minus 0 whole square get cancelled. Now y minus 2 whole square, it is in the form of A minus B whole square, y square plus 2 square minus 4y is equal to 36 plus it is in the form of A plus B whole square, y square plus 2 square plus 4y minus 12 PB. Y square, 2 square get cancelled. This implies minus 4y is equal to 36 plus 4y minus 12 PB. This implies. Now I am taking this minus 12 PB to left hand side. Minus 12 PB becomes 12 PB. 36 plus 4y minus 4y I am going to take right hand side, it becomes 4y. This implies 12 PB is equal to 36 plus 8y. This implies 12 PB is equal to, I am going to take 4 common, so it becomes 9 plus 2y. 4 ones are 4 3s are. So what you will get? So here we will get 3 PB, 3 PB is equal to 9 plus 2y. 9 plus 2y. Now I am going to take square on both sides. Again, squaring on both sides. So this becomes 3 square PB square is equal to 9 plus 2y whole square. Implies 9 into PB square. Already here I took a PB square as this one. So again I am writing the same thing, x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. X minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. In the right hand side, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, 9 square plus 2y whole square plus 2 into 9 into 2y. This implies 9 into x square plus, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, y square plus 2 square plus 4y is equal to 9 square is 81 plus 4y square plus 2 to the 4, 4 9 the 36y. This implies 9x square plus 9y square, 4 9 the 36 plus 4 9 the 36y is equal to 81 plus 4y square plus 36y. 36y get cancelled. 9x square, this 4y square I am taking here, so 9y square minus 4y square is 5y square is equal to 81 minus 36. 9x square plus 5y square is equal to 81 minus 36 is 45. Is 45. This implies 9x square by 45 plus 5y square by 45 is equal to 1. Just I divided both sides with 45. 9 ones are 9 5s are 5 ones are 5 9s are. So what you will get? X square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of locus is x square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now, similarly, you can do this one as a homework. A same problem. The question is, find the equation of the locus of P if A is equal to 2 comma 3, B is equal to 2 comma minus 3 and PA plus PB is equal to 8. And the answer you have to get is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0. The same statement, the same problem we have solved here, but here directly they have given a condition, here they have given in words the sum of whose distance, and the points are different here. That's the only thing differ. Already PA plus PB is 8 here. We have used PA plus PB as 6. A and B are different. The same process you have to follow the whole thing and you have to get the answer. You have to get the answer. This answer you have to get. Now, next problem. Find the equation of the locus of a point, the difference of whose distances from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8. Solution. Given points are Given points are A minus 5 comma 0, B 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Let P of x comma y be any point on locus. Given condition is, the given condition is the difference of whose distances from this point and this point is 8. That is difference of the distance of the point P from A and PB is equal to 8. This implies if I remove the modulus symbol, I will get PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 8. Because I don't know whether PA minus PB is positive or negative. So that's the reason here if I remove the modulus, it will become plus or minus 8. Now sending this PB to right hand side, it becomes PA minus PB is equal to this implies PA is equal to plus or minus 8 minus PB. If it goes to here, it becomes plus PB. Now I am going to make squaring on both sides. This implies PA square is equal to plus or minus 8 plus PB whole square. If you want, you can write like this. Now PA square is equal to, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. This implies PA square. Now plus or minus 8 whole square. Plus 8 whole square. Plus into plus, again it becomes plus. If I take minus, minus into minus, again it becomes plus. So plus or minus, if it is a square, it does not change anything. It will become plus only. That is 8 square becomes 64. Plus PB square. Now plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus. 2 8s are 16 PB. Now I am substituting in this one and this one. PA square, that is distance between these two. X minus of minus 5, x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 64 plus, now PB square, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus or minus 16 PB. Y minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square get cancelled. Now x plus 5 whole square, x square plus 5 square plus 10x is equal to 64 plus x minus b whole square, x square plus 5 square minus 10x plus or minus 16 PB. X square, 5 square get cancelled. Now we got 10x is equal to 64 minus 10x plus or minus 16 PB. Now I am taking this term to the left hand side. Plus becomes minus, minus become plus. Minus or plus 16 PB. 64 minus 10x, and this 10x I am going to take here, minus 10x. So what will become? This implies minus or plus 16 PB is equal to 64 minus 10x minus 10x minus 10x, that is minus 20x. This implies minus or plus 16 PB. I am going to take 4 common. If I take 4 common here, so here we will get 16 minus 5x. 4 into 16, we will get 64. 4 into 5, this one. 4 ones are 4 fours are. This implies minus or plus 4 PB is equal to 16 minus 5x. Now squaring on both sides. This implies minus or plus 4 PB whole square is equal to 16 minus 5x whole square. Now again, square of negative will become positive, square of positive will become positive. Now 4 square PB square is equal to, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, 16 square plus 5x whole square minus 2 into 16 into 5x. This implies 16, that is 4 square. Now PB square, already we have calculated the PB square value is this one from here to here. I am going to use the same thing, x minus 5 whole square plus x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 16 square plus 5 square x square minus 2 5s are 10, 10 into 16, 160x. 160x. This implies 16 into x square plus 5 square minus 10x plus y square is equal to 16 square plus 25x square minus 160x. This implies 16x square plus 16 into 5 square value 25 minus 16 into 10 160x plus 16y square is equal to 16 square plus 25x square minus 160x. Minus 160x minus 160x cancel. Now I am sending this one and this one to the right hand side. 16 into 25, this one I am sending to left hand side, plus 16 square, it becomes minus 16 square is equal to 25x square. This one it goes to the right hand side, minus 16x square minus 16y square. From these two I am going to take 16 common. 25 minus 16 is equal to 25x square minus 16x square, it becomes 9x square minus 16y square. 16 into 25 minus 16 is 9 is equal to 9x square minus 16y square. I am sending this whole term to the denominator. 1 is equal to 9x square by 16 into 9 minus 16y square by 16 into 9. 9, 9, 16, 16 get cancelled. So what you will get? X square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of locus is x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now in the same process, in the same way, I am going to give a homework. Just note down it and solve it. Homework. Find the equation of the locus of P if a is equal to 4 comma 0, b is equal to minus 4 comma 0, and modulus of PA minus PB is equal to 4. Just you can go through the previous problem. In the previous problem we have given that find the equation of a locus of a point P, the difference of whose distance from this point and this point is 8. Here it is given in a words and we have wrote in a condition. Here directly they have given a condition. Just the points are different and this value is different here. And the resulting answer you have to get is x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. This one you have to get the answer.